Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gems Crush Fans. I'm going to share with you another project that can provide you a lot of profit. Friends, it is a great investment website that can give you a huge amount of money. All the information about the site will be provided to you in my description, and all the video detail has been provided to you in. You have to watch this video till end to get all the information about this site. So now we go toward our project. Before we go toward our project, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get new and upcoming videos information instantly. So friends, now we go toward our project. Here is given to you the investments website. You can check here your all investments plans will be given in front of you. You can check here the member lists are present here. All their information of earnings has been provided to you. It is a great investment website that can give you a huge amount of profit. You can invest in this project and you can earn quick profit. I will show you how to register your account. You need to click enter your email, enter your password, add the invitation code and click on the sign up button. After clicking on sign up, your account will be created. I have already made my account. I'm going to enter my email and password and I will click on the login now. Here you can check login has been successfully done. All the information about the site has been provided in front of you. You can check here. All information has been given to you here. You can check the 15 USDT will be given to you as a bonus and you can get deposit 15 USDT to get 3 USDT daily withdrawal. And you can check here your all beneficial information has been provided in front of you about this site. Here you can check their all details of earnings are present here. You can check the deposit and withdrawal information has been given in front of you successfully. You can check here all VIP instructions are present here. VIP 1 can provide you 3 US daily withdrawal and you can check here VIP 2 can provide you 55 USDT deposit can give you 10 USDT. You can get your revenue in 5 days and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So friends, here was given to you the details of earning. You can check here all deposit and withdraw information about your site has been given in front of you. You can make your money successful on the daily basis. Here will be given to you the team link. How can you create your own team? You can check here the team link will be given in front of you. You have to copy this link and you can paste it at your social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, any other social platform that you are using into your daily life, and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. And you can get the 15%, 3%, or 1% of your team debate into your account on that daily basis. So friends, here was given to you the detail of their team creating portion. Now I'll show you your VIP amount. Here you can check the VIPs are given in front of you. Here you can make your money successful on the daily basis. You can make your money on this network. Here will be given to you your all deposit and withdraw portions of your earnings are present here. You can deposit any of the VIP and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. I'll show you how can you create your own earning site. You can click on the recharge button. You can watch here the recharge button has been given. You have to copy this address and you can paste it into your wallet and you can select the USDT TRC20. Other assets cannot be added into your account. It will take a maximum of 3 minutes to get completed your deposit. So here you can check I have opened my USDT wallet. You need to select the USDT TRC20, select the send button, paste your address here. You need to watch here. I have entered my address and you need to enter the amount. How much amount you need to enter according to your deposit amount. You can check here the VIP2 equals to 55 USDT and you need to click on the send button, and I have already deposited into my account the 15 US. To get my VIP increase, here you need to click on the recharge completed button. It will be completed soon and you can watch here your VIP will be opened successfully. Here you can check my VIP 1 has been opened here. Now I'll show you more information about your earnings. You can check here the VIP task will be completed here. You need to click on the to complete button this task and you can get your task amount into your account in a few seconds. Here you can check the task has been successfully submitted and all the information about the site has been given in front of you. Now you can check here your account balance has been increased by 3 USDT. Now you can check here 18 USDT are present into your account. Now I will show you how can you withdraw your account. All the information about your withdraw will be given here in front of you about this site. So here you can check the withdraw portion will be given to you here. You need to click on the withdraw button. You need to enter the amount here. Here you can check. I will enter my amount. Here I will copy my TRC20 receiving address. You can check here the TRC20 address will be copied from my wallet and it will be pasted here. So you can check here information has been added. Now you can click on the password enter and you need to click on confirm button. After the confirmation, withdraw will be confirmed. It will be received into my wallet in few seconds. I'll show you whether I have received or not. You can check here your all beneficial information about this. So network will be given in front of you. Here will be given to you your all details of earning. You can check here the company profile is given in front of you. You can read it carefully. You can check here your all deposit and withdraw portion has been given to you. Here my account balance has been increased by 3 USDT. You can check here into my wallet. You can check. I'm going to show you the withdraw proof of 3 USDT. Now you can get your account balance increased. You can watch here your all beneficial information has been provided to you successfully. So it is a great site that is providing you instant cash into your account, and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also you can join the site for earning.